Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
To the ocean is associated with wealth, especially in the West. The realization of how to extract wealth from the ocean, especially in the West and the Americas, is very high. However, in our continent, being next to the sea or the ocean is not an automatic ticket.
Mathoth od bura mano mamalo Kimani Ichung'wah. Jod bura go mathoth od bura mano mamalo Kimani Ichung'wah. Jod bura go ne okoni paro mano mar chikno ok ochuogo kata osuru mano manyien ka bende gikwedo kweth mano ma obalo no ni dwaro mar mondo mi giroch pacho ganda e pacho kae.
We disagree with
Pamoko eni jotelo mago mopogore opogore pacho kae wuok oko kendo gikwedo monj. Jotelo mago mopogore opogore pacho kae wuok oko kendo gikwedo monj mano mabende itimo go e rombego kata osebed ka itimo e rombego mago mag siasa e pacho kae. Jotelo go kane otelnegi kod moluor Fred Matiang'i kae. Jotelo go kane otelnegi kod moluor Fred Matiang'i wacho ni monj maket koda mago gin mago mabende duoko chien piny Kenya.
Whether we are degenerating to a very insecure environment that will not be conducive for investment. I have seen that report and it doesn't look good for the country because it basically confirms what we all know, that you cannot tell me I have been a minister of security. You cannot tell me I have been a minister of security. You cannot tell me that the elaborate security infrastructure we have in the country does not know what is going on. Somebody is looking the other way, and that nonsense is going on around. So what Kenya needs, and I keep going back to this, and as Kenyans we go to elections next year. What this country needs is decisive courage to keep addressed. I've said this before, and mark my words. Most of these leaders here, Kioni and the others, are experienced politicians. The countries that have gone down the dogs have started like this. It is by design to cause fear. It is by design to intimidate Kenyans, and to cause fear. It is by design to intimidate Kenyans and to begin to instill fear so that people don't express themselves. I was in Kisii last week. The kind of madness going on there.
It's now on the table in Parliament is no different. The fact that Kenyans are not demonstrated does not mean that they have accepted the budget. It is a demonstration that they have given up on this government. Wao wanagojea siku ya uchaguzi wapeleke watu nyumbani. They made up their minds. It is upon us in the opposition to organize ourselves so that we do not let them down. But there is nothing to celebrate in the finance bill, in the budget that is before Parliament. Of goons, we were told back in
to know whether monies has been put aside that some people are going to exploit unless you can actually try and dig that out.
The key take home, other than the center that we've just launched, is the networking in terms of
To bende jagoro mano mar koto Francis Atuoli osiro paro mano manyocha ugol kod doho ni kik keta kwede e kind jotije go mago mabende ondiki e yono mano maongirore kod mago ma ok ondiki e yo maongirore.
Our country. So I think this ruling is a milestone. We'll have to help most of our unions into application of the modern industrial relations practice in this country.
And particularly the teachers. Political leaders are continuing to set the wrong example by inciting Kenyans against their fellow citizens as a means of winning political power. KUPPET has received disturbing information regarding the high level of ethnic incitement in Nyandarua County, where rival politicians are campaigning for Olkalau by-elections. Dozens of so-called
people working within the county. If people working within the county, if there is anything that should be done, is first to call out the leader. Because how do you incite your own people against people who are working with you in the same community? Teachers at the moment have no peace because they
In her final moments, during the tragic school fire, she displayed remarkable courage and
mar dhi nyime bedo pacho nyaka chopi obi ochulgi kanyo osachgi mano mabende osebed ka pok ochulgi kuom dweche 4 mago mosekalo kane otelnegi kod jagoro margi Andrew Otieno gikoni piny owacho mano ma kaunti ma Kisumu osebedo ka odin.
How are our children feeding? How are our families surviving? And then someone is threatening us. We shall not take it lightly.
It is absurd for a man in the statues